I'm Jane and I come from the Essex-Suffolk border, and I am a healthcare support worker in a local prison, and I also have a job looking after the homeless. I've been trying to lose weight for about a year without not really having much success. I've been trying all various diets, and I started to look up boot camps, and then I had an email appear about a menopause one. I don't know where it came from at the time, but I thought, oh, that looks like a good idea. And I was struggling with, say, the weight gain and other bits and pieces, especially the brain fog. And I thought, well, let's have a go, which was a bit nervy. The love that's just in the house in itself was absolutely amazing. It was absolutely beautiful. It's very difficult to describe, but I've thoroughly enjoyed every minute of it. I have had some low points when I don't quite succeed to what I want to do. The body won't let me. There's been quite a few tears, not being able to do certain things. Some of the exercises have been a bit difficult for me, but they've had me running, which I don't do. So that was very good, and I can now do press-ups as well. So I'm really chuffed with that. There's too many to name, everything. All the mindful stuff we've been doing, all the exercises, all the different foods. I mean, I've never eaten halloumi. There's quite a few other bits and pieces, and all the food was so tasty. I have missed my tea and coffee, I will admit, but I am going to try and stick to having hot lemon in the mornings for another week and see how I get on. And then at least I will have cut my sugar out and hopefully cut down on the coffee intake. But the highs, everybody's been great here. They really have. I couldn't have asked for a nicer bunch of women. And you guys, you're so welcoming, and you make you feel part of the home. But there was a few of us, we all thought, oh, are we going to be able to manage this? And like one of the ladies has had a fall, and she just bounced back up, you know, and she's going great guns. And it really is an inspiration to watch some of these ladies and how they're getting on and everything, because it has been good. I need to get rid of all my negative thoughts, which was a lot of what's been bringing me down, making me very unhappy. I've learned about crystals, and that was just amazing. It really was amazing, and I want to look more into them. And I've learned about what foods to eat. I say I've been through so many diets trying them, and I just couldn't get anything that would suit me. I just can't wait to see what happens tomorrow.